Hi, this is Kat with Beadaholique, and in this video I'm going to show you the holiday kit editions from 2019. So these are inspired by some of the kits that we've done over this past year, and now they're coming to you in holiday versions. So let me just start by showing you the two new loom patterns that we have up here. So we've done one that's very blue and gold, and it's very wintry and kind of snowy. So this is one of them. And then we also have this sort of dark Christmas sweater. It's a really rich green and bronze and red. So those are going to be two brand new patterns that you can get. Now the good thing about these ones here is that they actually offer refill kits as well, so you can do the full kit if you don't have the loom, or you can just do the refill kit if you want a brand new pattern and those new beads there. All right, and then continuing the Christmas, we also have our memory wire stacked bracelet kits here. Now these were some of our most popular kits, and now we have this really fun holiday version. It's got some great seed beads, some wood beads, some check beads there, and I love this little pearl white. It just adds a little elegance to it. I love that. And then if you're wanting some more bead weaving, we do have our carrier beads kit here. Now this is going to feature brand new patterns as well. And also these are 6 of the beads that you can make with these, but you're also going to get 2 additional patterns. So you'll actually get 8 different patterns to choose from. So you can sort of mix and match and make this one a longer or shorter bracelet if you wish. All right, so that's the carrier beads bracelet. And then we have some wire wrapping if you're interested in that. We have a beautiful Christmas version here with those lovely Swarovski pearls. And then we also wanted to do a little New Year's edition. And again, that features those little gold Swarovski pearls, and it's sort of a mixed metal. So this is actually going to be a great thing, not only just for New Year's, but also for year-round. And speaking of another year-round, we have our Kumihimo. Now this is that 12 warp Kumihimo, so if you've bought one of those kits, this will come in a refill version as well. So this is going to be a great little gift for you. So this is that 12 warp Kumihimo. And finally, I have a Swarovski crystal necklace. This is our Hamptons necklace, and this features a beautiful Rivoli, some lovely little pearls, and some lovely red beads there. So this is definitely holiday party ready. So these are the holiday editions of our exclusive kits, and you can get all of these and shop even more exclusive kits by heading over to Beadaholique.com. Hey, if you like this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to get notified when we have brand new videos every week.